Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's draw and color in Bingo and Bluey together. Now we're going to go ahead and draw Bingo and Bluey cooking together. Ooh, they look so cool with their chef hats. I wonder what they're going to make. I'm going to use blue for Bluey's face, arm and body. Now we're going to use light blue for her eyebrows. And light blue for her tummy. Let's color in her feet and tail. Now we're going to use dark blue for the rest of her face. Now I'm going to grab yellow and color in her nose. Let's use a light pink for her tongue and color in her mouth black. Now I'm going to use pink for the end of the spatula and grey for the spatula. Now for Bingo, I'm going to use yellow for her tummy, nose, eyebrows, tails and feet. And let's not forget her hands. And I'm going to use orange for the rest of her face. Do her body. And her legs. Now I'm going to use brown for her nose and a light brown for the wooden spoon that she's going to cook with. Wow, that looks great! First, we're going to grab light blue for her eyebrows and color in her hands. Now with that same blue, we're going to color in her tummy. And now we're going to colour in her feet and legs. Now we're going to grab a darker blue and colour in her arms and the rest of her body. Now I'm going to grab a darker blue and colour in her face. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's use that same blue for her spot and the end of her tail. Now I'm going to fill in her ears. Now I'm going to grab yellow and colour in the inside of her ears, her mouth and her nose. Can you say nose with me? Nose. Yeah, that's right. And now we're going to use a dark blue for the end of her nose. Now let's colour in her eyes in black. And now we're going to use yellow for Bingo's eyebrows. Can you say eyebrows? Eyebrows! Good job! Now with that same yellow again, we're going to go in and colour her tummy. Using that same yellow, we're going to go in and colour her hands, end of her tail, and bits of her face. And nose. Say nose with me. Nose! Don't forget her feet. Now we're going to grab orange and colour her ears. Let's count the ears. There's 1, 2 ears. Wow, that looks awesome! Now we're going to grab a lighter orange and do the rest of her body. Can you say body with me? Body. That looks great. Now we're going to use black for her eyes. And brown for her nose. And now we're going to use a light yellow for the inside of her ears. Now I'm going to use red for the crab and dark red for the rest of the crab. Wow, that looks amazing. Now we're going to go ahead and color in the sandcastle in light brown. And now we're going to grab pink for this shell. Let's color in blue for the water. Lovely, and now we're going to move on and color in these seagulls. We're going to use grey for the feathers and orange for the beak and feet. Now we're going to go ahead and use this red to color in the mouth. Yay, that looks great. I'm going to use this gray for the clouds just like this. Wow, that looks amazing! I had so much fun! Ooh, look what we have here. We've got Bingo jumping up and down in muddy puddles with her umbrella. Now we're going to use orange for her ears. Now use that same orange for her nose. Now we're going to use blue for her eyebrows and hands. Use that same blue for her face and use a dark blue for the rest of her face. Let's color in her ears and the rest of her head. Now I'm going to use yellow for her raincoat. And orange for the ends. Now I'm going to grab pink for her wellies so she can jump up and down. Let's use grey for her nose. Now I'm going to grab light blue and colour in the water. Now with that same blue, I'm going to go ahead and colour in the raindrops. Let's use green for the umbrella. And light green for the other section. Now we're going to go ahead and colour in the stick in brown. And now I'm going to use dark blue for the outlines of the puddle and water droplets. Let's just use pink for her tongue. Woohoo! That looks great! That was so much fun! Thank you for colouring and drawing with me! Don't forget to like and subscribe! Bye-bye!